Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss about modern visual tooltips for drill through in Power BI. This feature is available in January 2026 Power BI desktop update. Now let me switch for the demo. So first I will add a one column chart here from Power BI Visual Gallery, and from the data model I will add a business segment on y x-axis and total sales on y-axis. So the total sales by business segment chart is ready. Now let me enable a data label as well. So I'll enable a data label. Now I'll go to the category page, and here I will also add a one column chart. Here I on the first level I'll add a category, and the second level I will add a model. Okay, now after that on y axis I will add a total sales, and I'll say drill up, and just let me sort this on total sales in descending order. Now this chart is ready, and here I will add a drill through also. So I'll add a business segment here in the drill through part. Now let me minimize this, and now I'll go to the business segment. Earlier, what is happening, if I wanted to do the drill through from here business segment to the category, I have to right click on the bar actually, and from here I can go to the category page. Okay, so now this is not required. Using a tooltips you can do the drill through. So just once you will mouse over here, you will see the business segment and the total sales, and also you will see the drill through in the tooltips. Once you will click here actually in the category, you will go to the drill through page. Okay, now here we have also added another level is a model, and earlier if we want a drill up and drill down we have to use the top icons. Now this is also not required. So now you just mouse over it and you can see the drill down. So road bike, these are the model of the road bike. And if you want to go to the drill up, just mouse over it here anywhere and you will see the drill up. So you will be on the top hierarchy, that category hierarchy. Now let me go back again on the business segment page. And if you don't want a drill through using a tooltips actually, so you have option to disable it. You have to select the visual from here, and you have to go to the formatting option. In the formatting option, just click here and go to journal. In the journal you will see the section called tooltips. Just expand this and come down, and here you will see the action actually. So if you disable the action, now you will not able to see the drill through in tooltips. Now you have to do it using a right click only. So tooltips drill through will not be available if you disable the action. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.